Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and I just got done watching reviews with Sue. And I just got done watching her open her Walmart beauty box. I believe this is the spring one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open mine. I know there is a variation, so kind of hoping mine's a little bit different than the one she got. She got a couple foil packets. I hate foil packets. I don't think they belong in any beauty boxes. I know the Walmart beauty box only costs about $7 a quarter. So that's what, 4 times a year. But I still don't want foil packets. Come on now, really. No foil packets, no foil packets, no foil packets, please. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna peek and see if I got foil packets. Let's see. Okay, well, it all comes packaged like this. Right here, very nicely. Brooklyn took off with something. And here is just some of the products that you could get. So let's see what I got. No foil packets, please, please, please. Okay, foil packets. I got a couple foil packets. Okay, so this is, I believe this might be the same variation that Sue got. I'm not absolutely certain. But here it says Smooth Moves Shampoo and Conditioner, a foil packet. My favorite. So they're saying this is Not Your Mother's Anti-Frizz. Trying to read where it says how much it is if I were to buy the full size. I don't see where it says anymore, you guys. I think maybe you're supposed to scan this or something to figure out the prices. Because if you see there, it just tells you how big the how big it is, how big the full size is. I don't see a price. It says the full size. Oh, there it is. Yes, I do. It's just the glasses are throwing me off. I couldn't really see. $7.74. It looks like it is telling me for the full size of this shampoo and conditioner. Okay, foil packets. All right, what's next? Yeah, this same foil packet too. Maybe everyone got this. So this is a CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream. And they say for this is the full size would be $14.98. So it's just a, what is it? Just a face moisturizer. So I'll use it. I will use it. I use all my face moisturizers. All right, what else did we get, Brooklyn? Okay, so reviews with Sue and I have something in common. We are both addicted to the chapstick. I love chapstick. I got eucalyptus mint. I'm not sure if everyone did. I don't remember what she got. And where is it on here? Okay, it just says chapstick. The flavor may vary. It does say on here. So it cost the full size, which obviously this is $3.94. So, and I like eucalyptus mint. I'm glad I got that flavor. All right, what else did I get? I'm like closing the box every single time I pick something out because Brooklyn's like right here. So I got this platinum bronze, no, I was gonna read a different language there. Platinum Bronze Sun Glow by Milani. What is this? Brooklyn, get off my lap. Let's see, where is it on this? Hi, Brooklyn. I know, you're like right on my lap, in my way, aren't you? All right, well, I don't see this on the card. I really do not see this on the card, so I don't know how much this is or really what it is. It's a liquid highlighter is what it says. So it's kind of nice. The shade is kind of dark though. I'm gonna have to see what it looks like out of the bottle because if it's too dark for me, I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. But anyway, I don't see that on here. It looks like it's a full-size product. And then I did see that reviews with Sue got these. nails. And she mentioned that everyone was saying how small they look. Let me see. I guess they do look small. I don't know. I've never used press-on nails before. I've used nail stickers, but the press-on nails will be something new for me. So this says it's $6.97 for the full size. Is this the full size? I don't know. It says 30 nails and no glue needed. Looks full size to me. Yeah, full size is the 30 nails. It says right on my card. So, okay. I'm not, I'm not against trying them. So let's see what else I got in here. Okay, they are throwing these at us all the time. Usually, well, we did try one. I had my son try one because he wanted something to flavor his water. He took like 2 sips of it and threw it away. And I don't know. I took a sip of it and it didn't taste good. So I don't know if the one we got was expired or the flavor was just awful. This is Golden Cherry. It's the liquid IV. And it's $8.96 for a 6 count. So I don't know if we're even going to try it, to be perfectly honest. Maybe. But I really don't like getting those. I don't, because they usually end up in the trash. But that's okay. I mean, so far, everything else in my bag, on my box, I'm sorry, everything else I'm really liking. So this is Coconut Shea. And is this, what is this? Leave-in conditioner. If Sue is watching this, didn't you get the shampoo? I don't know, but I have the conditioner. So, let's see what it says, how much this is. Yes, Brooklyn, I see you. I see you chewing on my box. Oh, okay. I don't see it. It's by Eden. I'm really looking. Maybe I'm just not seeing it. Well, obviously I'm not seeing it. Yeah. So it's by Eden, leave-in conditioner. It's coconut, and I love the scent of coconut anything. So let me smell it. Might have a safety seal. I don't know. No, it does not. No safety seal. Smells very good. Love it, love it, love it. So definitely we'll get some use out of that. And I think that is it for my Walmart box. That's it. So yes, I don't like foil packets, but I did get some really nice products in this box. So I'm very happy with it. For $7 a month, it's like $6 something, and then they charge me tax, so I think it's like about 7, or maybe a little over 7, maybe a little under 7. It's around there. And it's not monthly, sorry, it's quarterly, so it's 4 times a year, seasonal. And yeah, I like this box. I think it was great. In fact, I'm usually pretty happy with it. I think the foil packets need to go. I don't think that a lot of people are too happy with foil packets, but it's okay. They made up for it with everything else. So this is my Walmart box. Please, everybody, if you can, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you got the same variation, because I think this is the same one as Reviews with Sue. And I'm only naming her because I haven't seen anybody else's yet. I haven't had time to look at anyone's videos since I've been on vacation. So just let me know if you get the same variation. I'm curious. And give this video a thumbs up. Did I say that already? And subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.